So it's nighttime, and I've had a few people ask me, "Oh my gosh, what does it look like with your support, and how do you support your bed and everything like that, and what does it look like with it all propped up, and what do you carry in your rim?" So this right here is where my rim sits. My spare, full-size spare, which is spin balanced. I do have an air compressor, as you can see. I had to bend this a little bit, this jack thing here, to get it to fit in here. I do want to find a smaller jack, so if you guys have any ideas on a smaller scissor jack that would work on this, that still has the lip that would fit into the pinch weld on the actual body of the car, that would be perfect. Tow strap, always got to have that. And this right here is a jumper box with jumper cables and stuff in it. Got to always have that, along with your four-way. You know, four-way is extremely important. So that's what's in that. I'd like to put my jack in that. I was kind of heartbroken knowing that my jack has to ride in the toolbox that I'm going to have on the back. So yeah, I'm also still thinking about where I should store my, as you can see up there, I don't know if you could see that or not because it's dark, that is my window covers and such. I don't know if you guys, anybody has any ideas for some other place to put it, but that's where it's going to sit for now. But yeah, more updates, more solar panels and stuff like that to come. Hopefully you guys like it. All right, thanks for watching.